There are 5 ways you can study for the CAT exam, from self-help to complete coaching classes. We're launching our G strategy program as well, which includes your mocks, books, shortcuts. In case you want to join, please click the link in the description box, or you can attend our demo lecture free of cost, online or offline at any of the centers. Hi guys, there are 5 types of students who are preparing for the exams, for the CAT exam. There can be self-study mode to complete coaching. So let's go through each of them. I'll give the advantages, disadvantages of each of them so that you can decide which one you can join if you plan to start with the CAT preparation. Number 1 is the self-preparation. Everything yourself, which is almost impossible. Very theoretical way to say that, because आपको mocks, books कुछ तो लगेगा यार, एकदम self prepare आप नहीं कर सकते हो. You can do that because suppose if I go to our site iamking.com, यहाँ पे जाके CAT actual papers, so all पिछले 15 साल के पेपर यहाँ पे डाल रखे हैं. And trust me, यही कर ले भाई, तेरा CAT निकल जाएगा अगर self study करना है. But this kind of a thing, complete self study is ideally suited for people who are repeaters. अब लास्ट ईयर कैट दिया था, कोचिंग ज्वाइन कर रखा है ऑलरेडी, आपके पास बुक्स मॉक्स है थे लास्ट ईयर के, एंड देन गोइंग थ्रू द लास्ट ईयर पेपर्स इज इनफ टू क्रैक द एग्जाम. यार लॉट ऑफ पीपल टॉपर्स डू दैट, बट दे आर फ्रॉम आईटी, already a topper, they don't need a classes, they don't need anything to revise. Yeah, so repeater, this kind of work. Second most common way to study is I'm only going to take the books and mocks or mocks. Yeah, this is a very common way, again mostly suited for the repeaters because जिनको सारे concept आते हैं. Yeah, when I study my CAT preparation, I have no idea what the syllabus is. Okay, I'll buy the books, but इतना मोटा book देख के मैं डर जाता था. So what we have done, when I start the coaching classes, we reduce the size of the books. So we are now launching पतला books. Yeah, कि भाई तू ये पतला books कर ले, that is more than sufficient. Fine. Separate books for the basics and separate books for the advanced level. So I'm going to launch a cut-off learning workshop in which we have 3 booklets for maths, 3 small booklets for verbal, 3 small booklets for DI logic. कि भाई आखिरी 3 months just do this और कुछ मत कर, इतना कर ले, we can easily clear the cut-offs. Okay. Number 3 is I can join the complete coaching program. Fine. So you can join XYZ course. You can join us. By the way, we are launching a program as well in which we are going to cover up everything. Your books, mocks, shortcuts, everything be taken care of, end-to-end planning. Then in that case, you have to trust the coaching classes. Fine. Biggest mistake people do is when they join the complete program, they have their own set of rules going on parallelly. घर पे टॉपिक A चल रहा है, क्लास में टॉपिक B चल रहा है, ना तुम्हारा A खत्म हो पाएगा ना तो B समझ आएगा. So stick to the timetable given by the classes. Yeah, for example at CET King, so when I have the weekly targets. ठीक है, I believe in weekly targets कि भाई week to week you have to cover up these topics. अगर आपने ये सारे टॉपिक खत्म कर दिए, it's enough to clear the cutoff, enough to crack the exam. Number 4 which I follow is the G strategy. ठीक है कि भाई बेसिक मेरे को आते हैं. आई डिड माई इंजीनियरिंग फ्रॉम एनआईटी नागपुर, दिस एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई डिड. तो मुझे मैथ्स के बेसिक्स नहीं चाहिए, मुझे बस सिलेबस बता दो, एक ओवरव्यू बता दो. आई वांट द शॉर्टकट्स, आई वांट टू फोकस मोर ऑन द स्पीड शॉर्टकट्स. Then this G strategy program come into picture where you will be getting 3 booklets each. You can join only for maths, you can join only for verbal, you can join only for DI logic. This is ideally suited for people who are either repeaters or already have joined the coaching classes but it's not helping much. Yeah, because that's the main problem, because most of the coaching classes ka level of difficulty of the mocks is different from what is being done in the class. Fine, what is coming in the exam is totally different from what is they are teaching in the class. ठीक है, तो वहां पे अगर आपने ऑलरेडी ज्वाइन कर लिया, नो प्रॉब्लम, यू कैन जॉइन दिस G strategy program and we can survive the CAT exam, we can clear the cutoff easily. Number 5 is another strategy where people get different things from various classes. Yeah, for example, for G strategy, they've joined us at iamking. For mocks, they've joined some X classes. For their books, they've joined some other things. So this is something you can do, but then you need to be expert. This is mostly done by the repeaters. Yeah, उनको पता है, yeah, they've done enough research to understand यहाँ पे ये अच्छा है, वहाँ का ये अच्छा है, and then they mix and match everything. Fine, this is a very difficult thing to do because whom to trust यार. Yeah, हर कोचिंग वाला तो ये कहेगा कि they are the best. How to trust कि कौन अच्छा है कौन बुरा नहीं है. ठीक है, so these are 5 type of students or 5 type of way to prepare for the CAT exam. Self study, just take the books and mocks, just trusting the coaching classes blindly, go for the complete program. G strategy program, दैट आई एम ओनली ज्वाइनिंग फॉर द शॉर्टकट्स, मुझे बस शॉर्टकट्स चाहिए, कट ऑफ क्लियरिंग वर्कशॉप मेरा जो होता है. लास्ट आई डू मिक्स एंड मैच, something from here, something of here, and trust me, follow whichever way your target is to clear the cutoff. Your target should be to get 100 marks out of 200 so that I can join IIMS. Simple. Wherever you study, सामने चिपका दो 100 marks is the target. वो अलग बात है 80 में भी कॉल आ जाएगा, but target have to be 100. All the best.